Hey everyone, so I just want to make a quick video, and I'm in the process of reviewing different companies and doing different things, and like I've mentioned before, I'm doing a review on minoxidil and beard growth oils and things like that. Well, one of the other ones that I'm doing is heat brushes, right? So the heat combs, and so I've been ordering a few of them, and I'm really waiting on a certain one before I put out a review and what I think of them all. But I got this one off of Amazon, and I'm not going to say the name or anything like that because I'm not here. This isn't about the company. This is more about me and my channel. So I'm not going to mention the name. I'm just going to quick pop it up here. This is the one I got. And if anybody wants it, hit me up on Instagram, because it's not that it's a horrible product or anything, but what I did is I opened it and inside was a card. And I'm going to put my finger over the company name, but there's this card in here, and it said, as a valued customer, you've been selected to share your experience and to go on to Amazon and give them a positive review. And if I give them a positive review and email them with my order and my review, that they would send me a hair dryer for free, right? So as my channel grows, your channel, this channel, as it grows, and people are reaching out to me and you know, just reviews a lot of times, I guess I just don't want people to think ever, like, I will never accept money for a review, and I'll never accept a bribe for a review. And so automatically in my heat brush review, offering me something free for a positive review automatically disqualifies this company. I'm not gonna even use their product anymore or review it. And so I'm gonna give it away to somebody, because it's just not how I roll and how this channel rolls. I mean, to go a little bit more into that, if anybody ever offers me money for a review, I'll turn it down. I'll tell them to send it to charity. I'm not in that business. I'm in the business of, I like to try products and to review them and make videos for you guys and share information and my experiences. And I'm not going to get paid to do that, because it's not a business for me. It's fun, and it's exciting, and it's trying new stuff, and bringing new companies to you guys and new products, and bringing you guys to companies and things like that. And this particular company, just, they don't deserve that. If they're growing and selling products because people are leaving false positive reviews because they're going to get something for free, I don't feel like anybody benefits from that. Who benefits from that? The company might benefit short term because they're gonna get more like positive reviews, but at the same time they're also gonna get something like this from good, honest people. And so I'm here to say, if you need a heat brush, let me know. I'll gladly send it to you. I am taking it out of the rotation of brushes that I'm trying, because they have a card in here offering to give me something for free if I give them a positive review. And I'm not about that business. I'm gonna give them an honest review, and honestly, I don't like it. So that's that. I just want to make a quick video. I'm going to cut it short here. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Hashtag the man main. We're getting that rolling good on Instagram. Hashtag TGIB. Thank God I'm bearded. And we're going to get back to this amped upness, because I had to get that out of my system. But now I can get going with my Bang and my coffee that I don't have here. So I'll just grab my Monster. Yep, that's right. I got Bang. I got Monster. I got both of them, because we got energy. So we're getting the energy going. I'm getting my set rearranged for something a little bit different, because I got something hot coming on Monday. And so I hope you guys are ready for the unboxing on Monday. There's a lot of stuff, and we're going to have that for you. So I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And as always, until I see you or talk to you next time, God bless.